Hey everyone, I'm Nicole Fraser, certified yoga instructor, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a counting meditation. Now, meditation can be a wonderful component to help maintaining good physical and mental health. When you do meditation or breathing, like we're going to be doing today, it can help engage your parasympathetic nervous system. So that can lower blood pressure, it can slow down your heart rate, it can even really decrease stress, and those can be amazing things. So that's why I have a simple meditation, the counting meditation, to show you how to do today. So first of all, you just want to get into a comfortable position. That may be a seated position, you might be standing, or maybe even laying down, but just try to get as comfortable as possible wherever you're at. So soften the muscles in your face, soften your shoulders, and just try to relax your physical body as much as possible. Try to let all the busy thoughts and everything else that's going on in your mind just melt away and bring all of your attention and your focus into this present moment. So you can also have your eyes closed, or if you'd like to just gently gaze down the bridge of your nose and keep them open, that's fine too. So let's try practicing it together. So I like to choose the numbers 5, 3, 5, 3 for mine, but you can choose any numbers that you like that it feels comfortable to meditate with. So I like to inhale on a count of 5, hold the breath in for a count of 3, exhale for a count of 5, and hold the breath out for a count of 3. And you just want to repeat these numbers and the counting and the breathing over and over again until you feel like you are adequately relaxed or that's enough time for you. So there's no time limit that you have to be doing it for. So let's try together. So let's take a nice deep breath. Get nice and relaxed. Let's count. So you can actually count out loud or in your head, but I'll count out loud for you for the demo. So inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold the breath 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath out 1, 2, and 3. So you want to make sure, the most important thing is to make sure that your inhales and your exhales are the same count. So inhaling for 5, exhaling for 5, or inhale 6, exhale 6, something like that. Yeah, so that's about it. I invite you to give it a try and see how it makes you feel. If you have any questions about this in particular, or you want to learn more about this, feel free to send me a DM. And always remember to check with your doctor before beginning any new exercise regimen. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful time breathing.